In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a theme on your Shopify store. It's a simple and straightforward process, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify dashboard. This is your central hub for all things related to your online store, and it's where you'll manage everything from products to design to settings. Once you're comfortably situated in your dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll find a variety of options, but for our purposes today, we're focusing on the option labeled Online Store. Give that a click. This link is your gateway to all things related to your store's presentation and user experience. It's where you can tweak settings, customize pages, and most importantly for today's task, manage your themes. After you've clicked into the online store section, you'll notice a few more options pop up. For now, you want to click on Themes. This is the heart of your store's outward appearance, and it's where all the installed themes are housed. Here in the Themes section, you'll see a list of your available themes displayed in what's called the Theme Library. This library is essentially your theme reservoir, a place where all your past, present, and potential store designs are stored. Take a moment to peruse through your theme library. You'll find every theme you've ever installed on your Shopify account. Whether they're tried-and-true designs or new contenders waiting in the wings, they're all here at your disposal. Find the theme that suits the current vision for your store. Once you've identified the perfect theme that you want to make live, it's time to make it official. Move your cursor over the theme of your choice, and you should see an option to publish. Go ahead and click that button. This action will set the theme as the active design for your store, making it visible to all your visitors. And there you have it. With just a few simple clicks, you've successfully published a new theme on your Shopify store. By doing so, you've instantly refreshed the look and feel of your online shop, hopefully enhancing the shopping experience for your customers. It's amazing how a spruce up in design can have such a significant impact on user engagement and sales. Remember, you can revisit these steps anytime to change your store's theme. Experiment with different looks, and don't be afraid to try something new. The goal is to create an inviting and intuitive shopping environment that keeps customers coming back. Thank you for tuning in to today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks to make the most of your Shopify store. Happy selling!